We know Alan was gonna throw everything at us. It's the quarterfinal, and we started well. I told the boys, this game is about converting opportunities. We converted our first opportunities, then we were gonna score again, but we dropped the ball. Then Ali kept the ball for nearly the entire first half, and they scored 2 quick tries. I told the boys, this team, they're gonna try and deny us our possession. But I'm thankful to the boys for having the heart to fight. I think there's a characteristic of a champion. Never say die attitude. And although Islands were ahead, we made a few changes. And I told the boys, I trust all of you guys. We are a team of 12, not 7. So the starters just give all you can, and the finishers will come and finish it. And the boys that came and finished it, stuck to the game plan we wanted and just connected with each other. But we're thankful to the Lord who's been our source of strength. We said always that God will give us opportunities. It's up to us to use that opportunity. I just told them at halftime we need the possession because Ireland, they took the possession, they never want to give it back, and I told them we needed to score first. In the second half, we needed to strike first, and then just communicate in our D.